What up to you? It's Thursday. That means I got my girl Gwen Wright from Xpert Tax Services in the house. Hey, Gwen.
Hey, girl.
All right, Gwen. We got to get to it. First of all, tell us how we can find you if we need our taxes done.
So if you want to come in person, you can come to 3604 Macon Road, Suite 15. We're right behind the Dairy Queen in that shopping center. But we also accept clients 24/7 on our website at www.experttaxservices.com.
All right, Gwen, where's my refund? Because I know a lot of people are asking that question. Mm-hmm. So if you've already filed or where's the refund? Also, there's another date if you do what? Earned income credit or what's the other one?
Additional child tax credit.
Okay. I don't get that anymore, so I don't remember y'all. There's a date also in February where even if you filed, yours won't be processed until the sometime in February. Is that right?
Right. So we in February now, right?
Yes, we are.
Okay. So anybody, we just got it. I feel like it's already going. So if you have the earned income tax credit or the additional child tax credit on your tax return, the IRS cannot by law process your tax return until after February the 15th. So it don't matter how early you filed. If you have those two credits on your tax return, then the IRS cannot process it and you won't get your refund until after February the 15th. And a lot of people be thinking, like, when we say February the 15th, after February the 15th, that means like the next day
like
they're going
February 16th.
Right.
Be in your
No,
account.
right. No, they literally cannot process it until after February the 15th. Now, they're saying, like, expect your refunds around March the 2nd. But history shows that, and I'm not going to say it's not going to be March the 2nd, but history shows that it comes a little early. It usually be like the 20th something of February when, we call it the big drop now.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? The first drop.
Yeah.
So the first drop is pretty much a lot of times the end of February. But the IRS say, March the 2nd. And a lot of people are starting to get refunds now or have dates to get refunds now. And I think a lot of people get it mixed up because they think if you have dependents, you have to wait until after February the 15th. And that's not true.
Okay.
Because you have people who are single who don't have those credits on their taxes.
Right.
And then you also have people who might not have the additional child tax credit, but they might have the child tax credit.
Okay.
And they're kind of interchangeable, but there are two different types of credits.
Gotcha.
And so if you just have the child tax credit, your refund processed in the regular processing time.
Okay.
And so a lot of people will be getting dates now, but it's not people who get earned income tax credit and additional child tax credit.
Okay. Now I have a friend that I'll ask you this. I have a friend who she files her taxes. And another state, see, she didn't use you because you would have asked. I know that. And what happened was she had done it with them before. They had old banking information for her, and it's already been accepted, but she didn't have that bank account anymore. So she was hysterical. She called me, but that means it's going to bounce back, so she won't even get hers in the bank. Will they have to now send her a paper check out?
Now, that's complicated because it depends on a couple of things. So it depends on whether or not she got her fees taken out of her refund or if she paid them out of pocket. So the tax company. So if she paid them out of pocket, then, yeah, of course it's going to bounce back. The thing about it bouncing back is the IRS is no longer mailing checks. And so I don't know if you have to update your account in their system or if they'll mail you like a prepaid card. I really don't know what they're doing. I just know they're not mailing out checks no more.
Oh,
okay.
Wow.
And then also, if she had her fees taken out of her refund, that means a third party bank is involved, and the third party bank will just kick it back, and then the tax company will be able to cut a check.
Gotcha.
So it just depends on different factors. And a lot of people don't even know that it's different ways you pay for your tax preparation fees, and it just depends. You can be found directly with the IRS, or you can be having a third party who's intercepting that.
Gotcha. See, and I didn't even know that the IRS is not mailing.
Oh yeah, they started this. It started this tax season. They don't want to mail checks anymore. They're discontinuing mailing checks.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Look, I don't even get a check mail, but I don't know how I feel about that. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
It's gonna cause a lot of confusion, I think. Like, but you know, we're in a digital world, so like it was bound to happen, I think.
Wow. Good, that right. You'll always have something new and fresh for
girl, every time.
So if you're wondering where is your refund, first of all, it's just the early February. Stop playing. It's coming. I'll see you next Thursday, Gwen.
Yes, I'll be here.
Xpert Tax Services is Midday Diva. Keep it locked. C-Town's #1 station, live, lit, local, 98.3 The Beat.